In case you haven't gotten the hint yet, RACI is pretty important in science only because it's a really good way that we can see that you understand how to pick out evidence from an investigation. So on the ECA, we will be grading your RACIs on the 4, 3, 2, 1 rubric. This is nothing new to you. If you do everything that you were supposed to, it would be considered a complete and correct. That complete and correct would be what I have referred to as a 9.3 or a 93%. If you receive a 2, a level 2, that's what I've been referring to as a 7.5 or a 75%. That means you're missing something. And if you just answer the question incorrectly, you're wrong, you do something incorrect, we would give you what you call level 1, which is a 6.5. Good news is, on the ECA, we're going to grade you a little bit differently. A 3 on the ECA only will be considered a 100%. And then this 4 will be considered extra credit. So for those of you that have always complained, why is 4, why do you want us to get above and beyond? Why not make 4 the 100%? Well, it's for this time now, because we want everybody to get a good score on the ECA, the end of course assessment. So if you can write that level 4 easily, the above and beyond, then you are going to be just fine on the ECA. Remember, in above and beyond, what we're looking for would be things like not only your evidence, but explaining your evidence. And then we're looking for, can you make connections with things that you have learned in science? So can you explain your evidence and make connections as to how what have you learned in science? How does that connect to everything that we've done this year? Those are probably going to be the easiest ones. We're not going to tell you that the evidence will be easy. It might be kind of difficult to find evidence on these analysis questions that we're going to do on the ECA. But just be sure that you are explaining your evidence and trying to make connections so that way we can give you that above and beyond score.